Welcome back to the Indian weather forecast. First weather features. The western disturbance will arrive over Jammu and Kashmir during the subsequent 24 to 48 hours and expected to arrive on 13th of February morning at 10 am IST. But this is not a very active western disturbance, so due to this, scattered rainfall and snowfall will occur over north and central regions of Jammu and Kashmir. The entire Indo-Gangetic plains will not affected with this during the subsequent 48 hours. The cyclonic circulation which will approach towards the west border of Rajasthan around 14th of February early morning. So due to this, night temperature will increases over west border of Rajasthan and will decrease slightly over eastern parts of Rajasthan. The anticyclone which is over eastern parts of Rajasthan and adjoining to the Uttar Pradesh and Delhi regions. So due to this, significant dropping in the temperature expected over Punjab, northwestern parts of Uttar Pradesh, isolated pockets of Haryana and eastern parts of Rajasthan. The anticyclone which is over southeastern parts of Uttar Pradesh and adjoining to the Jharkhand regions. So cool and dry weather conditions will continue during the subsequent 24 to 48 hours over the western parts of Jharkhand, eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh, isolated pockets of North Chhattisgarh and South Bihar regions. The anticyclones which have been persisting over North Arabian Sea and North Bay of Bengal, both the anticyclones will further strengthen, so decreased temperature can be seen over North Arabian Sea and North Bay of Bengal. Coming to the central India, the northeasterly and southeasterly winds are merging, formed a confluence zone, and this was extended from Odisha region up to south coast of Maharashtra. So due to this, night temperature will increase over Telangana, Odisha, southern parts of Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and North Karnataka regions. The another anticyclone which have been persisting over the parts of Andhra Pradesh and adjoining to the South Karnataka regions, so expected gradual decreasing of the night temperature over Andhra Pradesh and South Karnataka during the subsequent 48 hours. The diverging of the southeasterly winds from Andhra Pradesh and South Karnataka is merging with the northeasterly winds, forming a confluence zone. I have already mentioned this. The rainfall activity will intensify after 4 to 5 days later. Till that, merging of the winds will continue, expected further rising of the temperature. The feeble trough which extends from coast of Maharashtra up to Kerala, so scattered rainfall will occur over northern parts of Kerala. So due to the cloudy weather, temperature will rise likely over Kerala. The cyclonic circulation which is over South Bay of Bengal and adjoining to the equatorial Indian Ocean, and the trough which extends up to South Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So light rainfall will occur over South Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This cyclonic circulation will move closer to the coast of Sri Lanka around 14th of February morning, but rainfall activity cannot be expected over Sri Lanka during the subsequent 24 to 48 hours. During the last 24 hours, light rainfall precipitated over Arunachal Pradesh, scattered rainfall precipitated over eastern parts of Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan and Nagaland. So coming to the next 24 hours, light rainfall expected over South Andaman and Nicobar Islands, scattered rainfall expected over Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan and northern parts of Kerala. So coming to the next 48 hours, scattered rainfall expected over Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh. So that's the weather brief from the Indian weather forecast. Keep watching for latest and accurate weather news.